Hello, my little kiddos. Welcome again. Well, today we're going to work on my math book and we're going to learn halves. So, first of all, I want to show you what a half is. Pay attention. So, first of all, what you have to know is that a complete shape, any shape you have, for example, I have a rectangle, a square, and a circle. This complete shape, without dividing it, is called a whole. This is a complete shape, which is one whole. A whole is made up of two equal parts. Each part is called half. So one whole is divided in two equal parts. Remember, yesterday we studied the equal parts. They look the same and they measure with your ruler the same. They are the same. So they are equal. Two equal parts make a whole, and these equal parts are called halves. This is the plural, two halves, and if it's one, it's called a half. Okay? So let's say that you have a piece of paper, right? You have a piece of paper and you're gonna make a beautiful letter, or you want to draw a beautiful picture of something you want to do. But there's a problem. This is my page, for example, my sheet of paper. But there's a problem. My cousin or my friend, they don't have a piece of paper to work with. What can I do? Well, I can share. I can divide this sheet into two pieces. But would it be fair if I only give a little piece and I keep the rest? No, we want to share and we want to be fair. So I have to give him the half. So the easiest thing I can do is that I can fold this sheet of paper, like remember the Mother's Day card? I divide it into half. I already know what's the middle, what is the center. I know what's the half, and they are gonna be equal parts, one for him and one for me. This is one way. Another way to do it is with your ruler. You can measure it with the numbers in the centimeters part, so I can know how long is this sheet of paper. Well, this sheet of paper is around 21 centimeters, so I am gonna divide it into 10 and a half. So I can do a little mark there. I can draw a little period, and I will do the same in the other side. Remember when we draw the trapezoid? Well, it's the same. We divide it to create then the rectangle, right? Sorry, the triangle. So there I have my line. They are two equal parts, you see? This is the half and this is another half. So there are two halves, one for my cousin and one for me. And what are we gonna do next? For example, for my cousin, well, with my scissors, I can cut it very easy. And they are equal, you can see here. They are the same size. So, as I said, two equal parts together make a whole. So this is a half and this is another half, and they were apart, and if I join them together I have a whole. I have a whole rectangle now, and I divided to share it with my cousin. And you can do the same with all the shapes you want. You can fold it for you if it's easier, or you can just measure it. You're gonna hold your ruler. Remember how we hold it with our left hand? And we trace very carefully the line with the right side. Okay? So, in this way, we have the half. You do the same with the squares, and this is easier with the squares and rectangles because you can just measure how long it is from the part you want to divide it. This square, it's 8 centimeters. So 4 plus 4, they are doubles. 4 plus 4 is 8. So the 4 is going to be the middle. It's going to be the center. So I'm just doing a little mark there. And then I join them together. And then I have 2 rectangles, half and half, that make the whole. I can do it like this too, and it's correct because they are 2 equal parts. It doesn't matter. In the case of the rectangle, I can measure it like this, and it's 14, so the double. The doubles are 7 plus 7, it's 14. So I am gonna place the mark in the number 7, and as well, very carefully with a ruler, I trace the line. Now I have a half and a half. They are 2 equal parts together. It's the same when I do it the other way. Now, like this is 6. 3 and 3, the doubles make 6, which means that the 3 is gonna be our mark. Now we join the points together, and I have 2 long rectangles, like this and like this. They are correct. Both are correct because they are equal parts. Okay, now try it in your house, at your home. Use your scissors, your ruler. You can fold it if it's better for you, so you can see the half of the things. Okay, I hope you have a great time, a great day, and I'll be around for any doubt. Bye-bye.